Good day, I'm Gerrit Ladeghem from Mahindra South Africa Tractors. Today I'm going to show you the Agriwise app. It's available on both Android and iOS, and we also have a web page that I will showcase to you shortly. So here's your Agriwise Android app. You have it on iOS as well. You'll open that and you'll have all your tractors displayed on here. So you can actually go ahead and you can name each of your tractors. So we'll just choose one to show you exactly how it works. Here it will show you the hours your tractor has been working for the day, the engine is running, your fuel level, how much hectares it did, and the amount of kilometers it actually drove for the day. So here we have tracking, where you can go in, locate the tractor, zoom in. It will tell you the speed the tractor is doing. It will do your real-time trips. You can go back, you can go to your trips. It will show you what the tractor did for the day so far, where it was working in the fields. The next thing you can do is, you can go to view all farms. On here, it will show you all your farms your tractors have been working on. You can select one of the 9, open it up, and it will actually show you what your tractor was doing for all the 9. How much hectares it was working, amount of time it was working, and all of these marks here will tell you where the tractor was parked during the day. You can also go here, edit your farm, where you can actually go and choose the location of your farm. It will tell you how big it is. You can save that. If there's anything else you want to know how to use it, you can always open it up here. It will tell you to drag and modify the points, where you can just go in here, and you can also choose where the tractor was working or how big your farm is. And you can also use this to measure the amount of ground or where you're working for the day. If you go to your second tab on your home page, you'll see all your tractors. It will actually show you where they are. You can open them up, see where they were running, also what they were doing during their working hours, where they were stopping, how long they were stopping at a specific place, and you can also see your idling hours. So if your tractor is idling for an hour out of the day and it's unnecessary, you can actually see it on here. And the last one we'll have here will also show you your alerts. So it will tell you about, you have overspeeding alerts, you have geofence exit alerts, you can have battery tampering. So if someone takes off the battery, it will tell you. You can also see how fresh is your battery. So you can go on here and you can select, and it will actually tell you 90% of your fleet, the battery health is excellent, and maybe 10% of your fleet or disconnected or the battery is low. There you can configure your alerts, you can open your geofencing. As you can see here, you can select your farm and you can actually set a geofence around that, select the tractor or the implement or the vehicle of the farm you want to put in a geofence. You select its device ID, and you will actually save it and you will put your geofence on there. And you can then go to the next one, where it will actually show you how to set your speed for that specific tractor, specific unit, or maybe you have a sprayer connected to this. You can say you don't want the guy to overspeed. You can actually see what speed he was running for that whole process. Clicking on that, you'll go on the vehicle servicing process. It will actually show you upcoming services. It will show you services overdue, and it will show you services done. So as soon as you do your service, you'll select here, it's done. You'll put in your next date on a busy time of the year. Obviously that will be sorted, but it will also work on a date or hours of your tractor. Everything can be done on here. You can also filter to see how many tractors is due for the service, how many tractors is overdue, and how many tractors the service has been done. If you have a big fleet, 10 and more, we can build a package around you. We can upload your farms on here. We have special tokens that you can put on your sprayers that will actually pick up when your sprayers is running. and when the spray is just pulled behind the tractor.